Okay, I will show you how to make a central dot for your first person game. Okay, first we need to make a new scene. Choose control node for the root node and call it user interface. Add node center container and call it dot. On control node, you must make anchors full rect, and on your center container dot, you change layout mode to anchors and anchors property to center. Now we need to attach a script to our center container. Attach a script and extend or inherit center container. Don't forget to save your scene and to save your script. In script we need to make two variables. Dot radius, here we are writing in static. Mark it as float. Set size of 2.0, and second variable is dot color. Make it a color and choose color dot white. Now we need to call a function to make a function draw that is a built-in function in Godot. In this function, we are calling a new function called draw a circle. Draw a circle have a couple of arguments, and that is the position of the circle, color of the circle, and radius, and couple more. You can read it in holding Ctrl on function and clicked on function. First argument is a position and it's a vector 2. Next argument is a float and it's a radius size of our dot. So call your variable dot radius, which is 2. Next argument is a color and call your dot color. And now your function is ready. Now in the ready you need to call another function which is named and built-in Godot QRedraw. This function draw all commands and functions in this script, so it call them. Now save your project, go on 3D and play your game. As you see, we have a dot and you can easily change the size and the color. That's all, thank you.